Welcome back to your daily dose of discovery. Let's unravel today's intriguing question.
Phone alarms work in airplane mode because they use your phone's internal clock, not the network. Airplane mode turns off cellular, Wi-Fi, and Bluetooth, but the alarm still runs quietly in the background. This lets your alarm go off on time, even without any signal, so you never miss an important alert, perfect for flights or avoiding distractions.
We've quenched today's curiosity, but there's always more to learn. Keep the curiosity alive by subscribing and joining us for our next adventure.